Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, gamers. I guess I should probably open up the project. That'd be good. Uh, okay. All right. I gotta get the robot cam going. Okay, I'm just making I'm doing a Zoom call to myself. So we'll see how this goes. My meeting ID changed. Cringe. Mm. Okay, I think we're almost there. Oh, I don't know what happened to my Zoom window got all smushed. Man, what happened? Yeah, my window got all smooshed. Not sure why. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. It's weird. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now you should hopefully be able to see the robot. And I'm gonna put the calling card out to my booties. Okay. Hey, we got one view so far. Oh, yeah. And let me put the calling card elsewhere. Ben, hi, Ben. Hi, Ben Plazik. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You like the new camera setup? Hopefully we can, this will make it look a little better. Sure. And I'll put it on my snap. I gotta do the marketing. Good setup, good. Thank you, Mr. Benjamin. frick. I'm using those microcontrollers that you gave me. We're trying to swap those over. I'm just gonna put it on Snapchat too. Snapchat. I always forget how to do this every time. Paste. Okay. I have told people now. I got juice. Okay. Cool. There's going to be a lot of Googling today. And I disconnected the screen and now I got to remember where to put it back. Ah, crap. I'm just going to have to Google it. Because I forget which pins go to which. So I just got to go back to the library. We're using I2C. Okay, which one is it? Why is it? Okay, SDA. Okay. I gotta do my board. I think. Okay, I think. I'm trying to like rewire this on the spot. We'll put that there. And hopefully I did this right, because it's not labeled on the Arduino, which is kind of annoying. Oh, and I'm mixing the wires all around. They're all twisted. Frick. Freak. Freak, man. Okay. Gotta get the serial cable. I like did not prepare. Okay, I just hopped on. What I'll be doing collab. Yeah, no, I gotta get Phil on here. Okay, and I must have wired this incorrectly because that's not working. Whoops. Well, it doesn't help if I do the power backwards. Frick. These like wires are like I don't even know what you would call it, but like the wires kind of start to peek out of the black part. I don't know what you would call that. There we go. Okay. Mr. Benjamin, tell me if you can see the screen well enough. I think this is still better than it was last time, which is nice. Cool. Oh yeah, I had some like testing things in here. Yeah, let me know if you can see that like okay-ish. Should I ping Phil? I'll ping him with the stream, be like, hey yo Phil, check it out. Oh, I can zoom on this. I think it's still kind of hard to see. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Like that. Yeah, let me know how that looks, Benjamin. Okay, so we've done this. Okay-ish. So I want to swap the robot brain. And I was trying to do it before, except it was being kind of a pain in the ass. Because I couldn't get the OLED screen to work on the new chip. And I don't know why. I'm going to try to find out, though. So this is the board I'm using. Again, shout out Ben P, sponsor of today's stream. These microcontrollers. I need the wiki. Unless it has the pinout on here. Okay, it's not the full pinout though. Is this the one I want? Probably not. No, okay. Okay. Oops. I just pressed something. I actually need I2C. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so basically I'm trying to use, put this in here, this board instead, as it's much smaller, and because the idea is that this is going to be kind of like on a printed circuit board. So we're going to want to use this, and this has a lot more memory on it, even though it's a lot smaller than an Uno or a Nano, which is kind of funny. There's a lot more memory and a lot more storage, which is good, because we're going to have all this text and like bitmaps and stuff. And the other day, just by myself, I was trying to get the screen to work on it, and for some reason I just couldn't. But I think I was looking at the wrong thing or something. I don't know. So we're just gonna try again. And hey, we got 3 people watching. That's pretty cool. Okay. So I want to see what this guy says for the I2C. I just want to know what pins. What pins? Because I saw one before where it had like all the pins on it. And by like all the pins, I mean, yeah, like this one. Oh, this guy even has an example of using a screen. Nice. Ooh, that's too far. Oh, this is actually useful, because this guy is doing like the same thing. Wait, so they're doing it through SP... Oh, wait, this one is SPI. Where's I2C? Okay, this is the one that we want. Okay. I still can't see. You know what? Maybe I should just open the image in a new tab. That'd probably be easier. There we go. Okay. So they have SDA to pin 6. Okay. So I'd like to just kind of keep everything on the other breadboard and then just connect the pins I need on this one. But I think that might be kind of annoying. Let's see. So it's gonna be kind of hard with the with the extra camera setup. But let me see. Let me move. Sorry, that probably ended up being kind of loud. This the camera's very like front heavy. Okay. So we're gonna unplug the screen on the other board we're using, and I'm kind of just dragging the cables to the other breadboard. So they're using 5 volts on theirs. I don't want to do 5 volts though. I think we can do 3 volts. So my gray is ground. Okay, let me zoom this back out. You can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm taking this other breadboard and I'm just attaching it to the one with the new controller on it. Okay, so the SDA goes to 6. My SDA is the green one. So that means the other one's just going to go right below it. Okay, cool. So now we're looking more like this. And so now hopefully we can just get that going. Let me make sure all the pins are actually in there. If the 3 volts doesn't work, I can try the 5 volts. Now I need a different cable. We have 5 viewers right now. That's pretty awesome. If you're here, say hi. I will say hi back. Probably. Oops, I'm sorry. That probably was loud on the microphone. Okay, so this one is USB-C, which is actually really nice. But now I'm going to have to unplug the wire cable. Here, 1 second. Okay. So yeah, you can probably see there's some lights on the other board. I don't remember if I had flashed this one. So we should still be using... I think we can just straight up use all the same code. And I have it on the right port, and I have it on the updated board. Okay. Let's just try uploading that. I might have to do like the boot thing, which is annoying about these boards, but that's okay. Oh, we lost 3 viewers. That's okay. So far, I'm not really seeing anything on it. It also takes longer to upload, but that's okay. Move that closer. Okay, so it says we're done uploading, but as you can see, there is nothing happened. So that's fun. So now I'm interested in why. I'm going to try switching to 5 volts. Okay, well, with 5 volts, still nothing. That's fun. Okay, I'm going to open up the Arduino IDE, and I'm going to get one of the examples for the screen and try to run it on this. Oh, I think this was actually it. Yeah, okay. I think we are on all the right stuff. Port, well, I gotta plug it back in. Okay. And I'm kind of like squeezing the pins into it because it's not soldered, which probably also doesn't help. But so let's try. I'm just using like the default example for this because I don't know why the screen doesn't work for it. Let's see. Can I have a feeling same thing's gonna happen? Let me expand this. Done uploading. Okay. Okay, yeah. So we still got nothing on that. So that's fun. I mean, like, I feel like I'm doing it right. Ay, ay, ay. I wonder which library are they using. Maybe we just have to use a different library. UAG2. I think I messed with this before. Okay, yeah, I did. Maybe you just have to use this other library. Which would kind of suck if we do, because then everything we wrote so far would be kind of messed up. Can we just do a hello world? Which one do they use? Well, okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is extra kind of annoying because we have to use. I just don't like this library. You have to like choose which one you have, which is kind of stupid. So we have an SSD 1306. So let's find. Oh, this is not going to show you all. Here's where they store. God damn it. And we're using I2C. So which one did they use? Should be a good question, actually. You know what? Maybe we'll just steal this. Pin 9. We're going to see if we can just use this one. And hopefully that will work. So let's try that. And it's still compiling. Ooh. Well, that's not happy. What did I do? I don't know what I did wrong. Why is this frozen? What's the matter with this? It doesn't know what UX. What the hell? I have no idea what it's doing. You know what? I'm just going to copy this guy's code. And we're going to see what happens. That's always a good method, right? Paste. Try that. I don't want to say... Okay. Never mind. What is it going to do in here? Hello? I don't know why it's breaking so hard. But it's being really annoying. Can I just like temporarily paste this over and upload it? Okay, thank you. I don't know why that was being so difficult. Come on. Okay, well, said it's uploaded. I'm not seeing anything. Ah, damn it. I'm not seeing anything though. Hey, why does that not work? Unless their board is just like different. I don't think the board they're using is all that different than the one I have. So they're using like an actual Grove. Okay. Oh wait. Okay, well I guess part of the problem could be that this is for 64. And I believe mine is technically 32. So let's try that. Although I kind of doubt anything will happen. And it broke again. Says, did you mean... Is there not like a 1305? Man, this sucks. I guess I just have to actually choose one of these then. 1306. Man, I don't like this library at all. Do they just not have a 32 one? Like, what the hell? That's SPI. We need I2C. Do you have any more 1306? Bro, this library is cringe. Do not like it. Because these ones are for like specific boards. Like this one's talking about like an ESP. Can we just use this one and like try it? We'll see if we can just use that. Because it's not the same board, but it's the same pins. So, like, I'm hoping that can just work. Because that'd be great if it did. It would also just be kind of funny if... Oh, wait, look, it works. Hey, look at that. So yeah, it looks like it's working, kind of. It's kind of hard to see with the cables in the way. But it is working. So we know it works. But could we do a solid and just have it work with the code I already have? Now that we know that that does work, I want to try doing the original code again. And just maybe like the pins weren't touching or something. So we're going to try that. Okay, well, let's set it up uploaded, but nothing changed. Well, the change is that eventually the text just went away, but I wonder if it's because I'm pretty sure the screen I'm using is a 32, but I'm kind of telling it it's a 64. But then later I also tell it it's a 32. I don't know. Okay. Any chance it's just because of VS Code, and if I actually open it in the Arduino IDE, it will work? Let's try. I don't think it'll make a difference, but we'll see. Because I'd be really happy if I don't have to switch to a different library, because that would kind of suck. Because we already did all this based on the original library, and that means I'd have to just learn a different one, which I'd rather not do. But you know. Okay. Yeah, looks like it's not working. Okay, but now just for ha-has. Wait, no, not that one. Try this one again. And then will it start working again? Let's find out. I don't know why I feel like this is not gonna work. Come on. Okay, so that does work. So why can't I get it to work with the other library? Because again, I would very much prefer that we don't have to. And it's using, it's still using SDA or I2C. So I don't know why it doesn't work. Let me close this. Go back to this. Actually, so we're using the right screen address though, right? Yes. How come they did it different in this though? Oh, they just say right there, screen address. I wonder if it's just really upset and I actually have to change this. Because technically the address is the 3C, which is correct. So now we upload. I want to see if we get that to work. Although I think we tried this on the other default for the Adafruit, and that didn't work. So my hopes aren't very high. But yeah, I don't know why it would work with the other library, not this one. Yeah, okay, so it flashed and it just didn't do it. Dang it, bro. So something about how they do this library, it likes. Clock data. I mean, it's wired the same way. Do these guys say anything about it? Or did they say why we need this specific library? I don't think they do. Or maybe there's a U8 G2 Adafruit crossover type thing. Again, I don't know why. Well, for this one, they're using the same library I'm using, but just with SPI. So why can't we use it for I2C? That is very confusing. Because they do the same thing. Like the same thing I have, the same libraries. I have the GFX library. I don't think you can see I've Googled it before. Maybe it's someone has it deep in here. What do these guys use? Oh, they use a lot of different things. So that's probably not going to be good for us. I think this is just the library itself. And they don't even have the they get listed here, which is fun. Maybe someone in like issues. I really doubt it though. If we look for like seed, no. What about RP2040? Not really. Well, this guy's using the same idea though. Well, except they just have an actual error. We didn't have an error. Ours just like didn't work. As in, like nothing happened. Like it didn't error out. It's so frustrating. Oh, look, somebody has a thread. Ooh, they're using another weird library, though. Did no one reply? Great. Yes, no one replied to this. The only reply is just closed. Okay. Well, that was great. And I know there is like an expansion board you can get for this, for the Seed Studio that has an OLED screen on it. I don't know what like what library they're using. Maybe we can find that. I don't think it's under here though. We want the RP2040 breakout board. And it's not here. Okay. Yeah, we want a breakout. Can we find the right breakout board is the question. Nope. I've literally seen it. Why can't? I guess Google it. Breakout board. Where is it? I've literally seen it before. Come on. Does this guy have it in his? Well, this guy uses a display in his things. Maybe he... Man, why you gotta snitch? So which library do they use for their display? Scroll, scroll, scroll. Okay, so they're doing like, that's like the same screen we have too. Oh, but they're still using the Super U8 G2. I don't want to use that. Is that it? That's it. Oh man. Why can't we use the Adafruit? Because that'd be so much more useful to me anyways. Unless you can do like really cool stuff with it, I guess. They have games. Guess we can open a graphics test. And let's get the one that we used. Just gonna grab this. Swoop. And scroll. I'm just gonna pop it in here. I guess we can see if it like at least looks good, I guess. I mean, it doesn't look like it's even drawing the board correctly. But I don't know, that could just be the code. This thing's a mess. Well, it's doing stuff. I mean, it's nothing that crazy. Well, that's kind of cool, but I think it's also off the screen. That's okay. What kind of functions they have? Draw. Nothing that crazy, really. I kind of want to see if I can get like the 64 one to work on this. Which one would I use? These are all SPI. And this one doesn't even have like the pin stuff. We can try this. We'll try using this one. We'll go back to the graphics test though. Pop that in there. I kind of have a feeling it's not gonna work though. I also didn't uncomment it. Whoops. And now I gotta wait because I jumped again. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, try again. We try it again. We'll try it again. So this new upload should be with the 64. Yes, I mean, like, that did work. I mean, you can kind of just tell it at 64, and then this is like, okay. mean, like, it's a nice library, I guess, but I don't want to have to rewrite all the code we've done so far. Man, oh man, okay. Then I wonder if the, well, no, because I was about to say, like, I wonder if the other code didn't work because we had it set to 32, but it's actually a 64. So what's the address for 64? Add a fruit. Oh, no, that's not right. Add a fruit. I2C 64. So what do they use for the address? They use 3D. Let's just try to upload this and see what happens. I have a feeling it's not going to work still, but that's okay. And the camera keeps refocusing. Yeah, I don't know. When it flashes it, it just doesn't work with this library. Bro, what the hell? I don't know why that doesn't work. And it's really frustrating. Yeah, this guy uses the UX8 too. I don't know why the UX8 works, but nothing else. If I at least knew like why it doesn't work, I'd feel a little happier. But I don't know. Oh yeah, and then this light guy was using something completely different. So maybe the address is just wrong. Because this guy's talking about using like a different address. I don't know how the addresses work though. It uses the same I2C address. I'm not even really sure what this guy's talking about, but maybe we can take a peek inside of the library for this. Look at the GitHub for it. Let's get the GitHub. I'd like to see where it goes with it. Maybe it has to do with the OLED reset. That could be it. Like, this doesn't even have a reset on it, but Um, so we said, well, let's try doing -1. To be honest, I'm not really sure how that reset works, but it does work when I use the Arduino Uno without changing it. So I don't know why it even has the reset. Unless it just refers to 4 as like the A4, but that still doesn't make sense. I don't see why. Because you would just say A4 normally. And A4 is the SDA. So I'm not sure. I mean, I have a feeling this isn't going to work. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, I mean, it says it gets written, but then it doesn't do anything, so. Yeah. And yeah, this is the one where, okay. Let's look at the library for it. It's saying all these are deprecated, but it's using it anyways. So we need to figure out why it doesn't work. It's just like colors. So this is how to actually interact with it. So it takes the width, the height, the wire, the reset pin. Okay. Wait, so maybe it's the wire? Or we just say and wire? Maybe that has something to do with it. But I really couldn't tell you. Because this one uses wire. But I'm not sure in which way it uses it. Because when we define it, we don't pass in the wire now. Okay. So then where do they actually use it? Is it only in here once? Do they just not use it at all? Because in the setup, I don't think they do. They don't. All they do is say zip again. Zip font. Yeah, they don't really do anything. And how are they doing all this? Do I still have the hello world? Yeah. Because in the one we were using in here, it's the same thing. And we don't say why. Do they have wire? No, they don't even have wire in this one. I think this one is like doing it over SPI. But we say I2Cs. I don't even know how this thing works. Maybe we can look at the library for a U8GX, whatever the heck it's called. U8G2. So like we definitely know this one works, but let's go to the repository. Ooh. So which one are we using? We're using the one with the X. You know what? Maybe we could just Google RP2040 Arduino Adafruit. Because technically, like, that's just what we're using. So this is the one they're trying to use. So it works with Arduino Nano, but not with the Pico, which is kind of what we're doing. You can use different I2C peripheral. The Pico defaults to using I2C 1 instead of I2C 2. If you want to know the values of default SDA, SEO. So maybe we have to like specifically select it somewhere. Yeah, so it's possible it just needs like a new thing. So we're gonna actually make a new and it's gonna be really messy, but that's okay. Because we just wanna, we're just doing this as like a test. And we're just gonna do that. And hopefully it'll let us do this. I have a feeling this is gonna be upset us though. Ooh, I'll have to do more than that. Because I would really like for us to just use the library we were already using instead of having to, like rewrite everything. So it's saying 6 and 7, which I believe is what we're using, right? Yeah. SDA and SCL. Okay. So then so he did that. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do PinY SDA. Okay. Because apparently you might get something different. I don't know. Man, this sucks. I hate going through these things. Pin wire 1. Do we need to include wire? Not sure. We'll try wire 1 though. See what happens. Because it might tell us something. This might lead us to like why it doesn't work. Maybe. I don't really know. I'll find out, I guess. 26. What? Well, that could be something. Or perhaps include... Okay, we'll try including wire. Where'd it go? No. Let's include wire. But then we're just gonna say SDA again. I've never like done this before, so I'm just wondering what kind of stuff we'll get. Ooh. Why didn't that work? Wait, so did it upload though? I think it like froze. Let's try again. That was weird. Ooh, no, it's not having a good time for some reason. What's wrong with the port? Or is it upset about the wire? Which would be weird. Let's check the device manager. I don't think it's a... Like, I'm pretty sure it's on the right port. Yeah. Okay. So that's weird, I guess. I don't know why it's doing that. New question. Will it upload if I get rid of those, though? I have a feeling it might. Oh, that'd be stupid. I have a feeling it's like something about that library that it's like messing up for whatever reason. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because so now it worked. But now if I try to get the SDA, will it break? I have a feeling the answer is yes, it will break. Look at my phone real quick. I know that worked. Okay. It's still saying 6. Okay. So now if I have SCL too? I don't know why it was being so weird about it. Okay, so something about SCL like breaks it. But it's doing it anyways? Okay, weird. I don't know what that's about. So I'm just checking my social stuff real quick. Oh, yikes, big sigh. Okay. So what was that other thing? It was like SDA wire. Nope, that was too far. We'll stop that one. I hope we're having fun. Isn't this just the most fun? So now it's saying like wire 1. I don't know what the heck wire 1 is. Okay, Pyvigo will always default to using GP6 and GP7, which is I2C1. These are all Pico. I don't know. I think I have a feeling this isn't gonna fix it. How to check Which pin? It's for Raspberry Pi. This is a big pain in the butt. RP2040. Well, not exactly. Pins. I know this is a different board, but maybe it'll still help. I'm also going to check YouTube Studio real quick on my phone, even though I have it up on the screen too. Still interesting to see. Does it not show it on there? It's kind of weird. I guess not. Oh, it like kind of shows up, which is weird. But not everywhere. Whatever. It shows up on my other app, which is funny. Whatever. Okay. Does this thing say SPI? Oh, I see SEL. I don't see SDA though. Whatever. What else they have on here? I2C. Okay, to use I2C, we can use the wire library, which we need to include at top. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, that wasn't super helpful. Maybe we need like seed Studio RP2040 wire.h, because we need to use I2C, but for some freaking reason it like doesn't work. The RP. Oh. Oh, wait, because. Yeah, wait, we're using 5 and 6. This is saying 6 and 7? We don't even have a 7. Ah. Wait, so what did he change? I edited line 61. Okay. So we changed from 60. I'm not sure what like how like 28, 29 works and stuff like that, but Interesting. Maybe we just have to, yeah, like manually set it. Like what this guy did. So where did he go? Let's try it. I don't remember where all that stuff is though. Is it in app data? No, that's not that one. Roaming, maybe. No, okay. We're gonna try to like edit the actual library, which is always a little scary, but it's okay. No. Arduino. Oh, where's Arduino? Oh goodness, I have no idea where that would be. Unless it's just like under one of these. Gosh. Well, we could just look at the wire in here. Let's open this in VS Code. Because this is for the actual, the wire library. I don't see the pin setting though. This is not where I want to get. Where does he do this? Yeah, and these aren't like where the actual libraries are. Oh, you know, I could probably find it if I go into VS Code. And robot friend. And then, because in the properties, it has all like the paths. Oh, but it's like in two different places. Oh, but this is what we want. We want the Arduino. Oh, it was under that like local thing, which is stupid. Let's go here. App data. Local 15. Packages. Okay, there's Arduino. Hardware, RP2040. Libraries. And now wire. Let's open this in code. Trust. Source. So what line did he edit it on? Oh wait, pins. Oh. Oh wait, so we're not in the right place. I think. Wait, where is this? Oh, he edited this. Funky, okay. And then on line 60. So this is where we need to change it, I guess. So how did he change it? 28, 29. So for that first one. Oh, he like flip-flops these. And then for the second one, he just says 6 and 7. Okay. Couldn't tell you exactly why we do that. Whatever. But let's try. Let's see if that like fixed it. I don't. Kind of doubt it, but. It could be a cool fix though if it is. because I'd be really happy if it did work. If that doesn't work, we can try messing with the like the values in there. Whoops. Yeah, I broke it. Or is it just the stupid thing where it like doesn't know? Okay, yeah, stop being annoying. Let's go back to this. And now I wonder if I change this back to SDA, sorry. And then just with the updated wire, because we know this worked before with just SDA. So let's see if like the value changes. Because before it was like 6, or is it 6 and 7? Let's find out. Let's find out. Frick. Okay, well, I mean, it still worked, I guess. Because it's now outputting 28. Which I believe is what we wanted. Or what we changed it to. Yeah, so now it's doing SDA. Yeah, okay. And I don't know like where these like 28, 29s come from. This is doing it off of like the Pico. So that could be why it's like wrong too. But anyways, if we were to now run this as like wire 1, we should see it as like 6 now. Let's find out. Kind of have my doubts about it too, but we'll see. Yes, now it's printing S6. Okay. Cool, I guess. So that changed it, but I want to know why he did this though. I kind of want to just try changing these to 5 and 6. Because changing it to 5 and 6 would be the pins I'm actually using, so. And we'll do the Adafruit thing. And again, I kind of doubt that it's going to do anything, but. But we can try. It's probably going to do the weird COM3 thing again, though. No, it didn't break. But based on this, it's not working either. So that's fun. Interesting. Swapping D3, D4 after updating library. Okay. Well, these guys are just using the 8 2G, but Hmm. This is so confusing. It's so weird. I still don't understand how like this works really, but yeah, I don't know. I want to try making this 5U, 6U. Because like technically the I2C did work, just not with the library that I want it to work with, if that makes sense. So it's kind of a pain in the butt. So let's try the Adafruit one again. Because again, I'd prefer to not have to rewrite stuff. Although, I mean, there's a decent chance it won't even be that much of a pain in the butt to do it. But either way, I'm not pleased about it. Yeah, of course that did that, but I don't know what these are. I don't know what that was. This is just printing stuff, I guess. Let's try it again though. Yeah, I don't think the screen's gonna update though. Frick, dude. Frick. Mother trucker, dude. Mother trucker, dude. It'd be so great if this just worked. Ha ha ha. Wouldn't that be funny? Wouldn't it be funny if things just worked correctly, eh? Yeah, not do that. I'd prefer that if it didn't. I'm checking the quality on my phone. Nah, it's okay, I guess. Ugh. This thing's just being a pain in my butt. Should I just unplug and replug? Probably nothing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that gets all pissy, but it is printing it. So now that I changed that, I wonder if like the one that was working before will still work. I'd say probably not, but you know, YOLO, I guess. Oh wait, maybe I have to change it to. I wonder if like the D4, D5 correlates to like the U's, like you, like for you. I don't know. We can try it though. I don't know. Alright, that wasn't the one I was looking at. It's this one. Yeah, I kind of expected this to happen. Or is this going to be upset about it now? Okay. But if we go in here, 0 equals what? I still don't know like what the U's refer to. What happens if I go here? Oh wow, this is fun. Enhance. I think the U's just refer to like the actual pins. I think that's how that works. I think so. What if I like do like 5U? Yeah, but no. Okay. Not exactly. I want the table of contents again. Do they have I2C on here? I2C. This is the only mention of I2C. It's so stupid. Well, I guess on here they have like a bunch, but on here, not so much. Let's try changing this to 4 and 5, though. Oh, wait, I see these here. So we should be using 6 and 7. Yeah, wait a second. That's what I had originally. There was like 6 and 7. Yeah. Because D4... Well, D4, D5. 6 and 7. Yeah. I don't know exactly what's going on with that, but... Maybe if this one is also just 6 and 7. I don't know. Save that. So these are basically the original values now. Well, except this one's different. We'll see. We'll see. Wow, so much progress today. Wow, it's been going so good. This has been going great. Yeah, I should have expected that, I guess. Yes, now it's doing 6, which is expected. But if I just get rid of this, just a normal SDA, run that, it should still say 6, but it shouldn't like error this time. Just kidding, it's still errored, yeah, but the serial monitor coding? No? Okay, I guess. Do a sneaky unplug and plug. Yes, now we can see it's just saying 6. Okay. Just for ha-has, we'll do the one that worked again, just to see if that still goes. Have a feeling it won't. But we'll find out, I guess. Yeah, I don't think it's working still. Well, it uploaded to it, and it didn't die. But I don't see anything on the screen. So if it was working, we would see stuff on it, which we don't. So we're gonna go back here, change that back to what it was, and try it again. I don't know what this is doing, but it says it's uploading, so. I guess, is it actually? I don't think it's actually uploading. I think you're being fake. Upload. Okay, yeah, yours is lying. strange. Why are you not uploading? Oh, okay. Sorta. Yeah, I figured. I think the pins are actually just loose. Because now I have it to like where it was just the way it was, like where it did work, and now it's just not working. So that's really cool. I'd like it to at least go back to working. Because right, I saved this. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. This thing says being goofy, I guess. I don't know why the port keeps like breaking. I just pressed the reset button. Oh, now it's displaying stuff. Okay. Maybe it was just stuck. Okay, so it works. And now just for Haas, change this again. And then upload. I don't think it's gonna change anything. Well, the thing it'll change will be it being broken, but a little different. If it'll compile. I think it's gonna do the port thing again. Yeah. I mean, it's still uploaded, but yeah. Okay. I don't know if it like actually uploaded then or not, but okay. Then for ha-has, I'll just try doing my actual code again. But I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah. Yeah, the screen doesn't even like reset. And I think I'm probably gonna call it after this though, because this is what you call discouraging. Also, there's no one here, so I'm just talking to myself. So that's fun. Oh, I uploaded the wrong one too. So that's cool. I think, right? Yeah. And I gotta do it again because I did it wrong again. Yeah, that one about as well as I thought it would. I don't know why it keeps closing the port now. It didn't used to do that. And this is like on stock. There goes my camera. Okay, yeah. So now the screen's dead, yeah. Okay, well, at least the program's running because this is on the Tiny Robot Guy program. So at least that works, I guess. It's the library just still does not work. Well, this sucks. I guess we might just have to rewrite it using the new library then, which is not my favorite, but I don't think it's really that more difficult. So like draw ASCII row. Are there like better examples? Because this example kind of sucks. Or we can just look at the hello world. They just say like draw string. Yes, I mean we can probably do it fine. I just don't want to. Okay, whatever. And I gotta close all this stuff. That's gonna take a minute. But I'm calling it here. I don't think there's anybody here. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you are here, I appreciate you hanging out. But I am gonna call it for the day. So, see ya.